It is currently 10:52 in the morning. It is Saturday, February 2nd. Got a 2008 Duramax. I have one transmission, all assembled, ready to rock and roll. We have the truck with another transmission inside it that is not ready to rock and roll. So we are going to yank this thing out, put the new one in. It is now 1:58 in the afternoon. We have the stock Allison pulled out from the truck. The main issue that I was having was this guy right here, the stock torque converter. It would slip underneath the power of the truck. I mean, really, it's only stock with a slight tune, but it has about 200,000 miles on it. So I have another transmission over here. This is just it's a unit I went through, refreshed it a little bit. It's got a shift kit in it, a converter line valve, pressure shim, and a few other simple hydraulic modifications, but we'll get this thing back in the truck and see how it performs. Since the transmission was going to be out of the truck, I took advantage of that time to install a new high-flow 3-inch downpipe, since they're kind of a pain in the butt to get to with a transmission in the truck. So I reinstalled the transmission and a few hours later went for a test drive.